Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get items that are not in store, like in any store, but they're more like rewards, honestly. So for instance, you want this bag here. I'll show you the bag. It's super cute. If I can just press dress up, or this hat. So there's these two items that you need to get from rewards. So for instance, this bag is super cute, and then this cake hat is cute as well. It doesn't match with my outfit, but it's whatever. You want these items, or you want some other item and you can't really find where they are. So go to your watch and go to the collection section. Where is it? Here it is. So for instance, if you wanted that like flower bouquet bag, you'll need to level up your gardening catalog collection. So here, as you can see, I've reached this like, it's not the hobby level, but like the collection level. So like how many stars you got. So I think, I don't know, but I got 28, and I have unlocked the crossbody bag. And then for the hat, it's from Gourmet Life. As you can see here, I got it from here. And you're also able to like unlock furnitures. For instance, you want the collector's exhibition furnitures, which is, where is it? Here. Collector's exhibition room furniture. You do need to collect furnitures in order to get pieces from it. You'll also get stars and coins along the way, but you do need to collect like a lot of furnitures to be able to unlock that. If you want to know where like other like items are from, you can also go to details here and see the source of where everything is, as you can see here. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Again, like here for instance, details, it says where it's from. And then for the exhibition, you'll see it's like collection rewards or something. Yeah. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.